Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the clearance, ADIs, and approach plate in front of you. This sets the frequencies, inbound bearing, and minimums. Next, tune and identify the NDB, listen for the Morse and verify signal. This ensures you are navigating the correct station. Once identified, set your OBS or plan to fly the bearing pointer inbound and fly a stable intercept. Explain to yourself the missed approach and descent steps now, so you are ready to act when you reach the final segment. Once established inbound, correct for wind by crabbing to maintain the published bearing. Small, prompt corrections keep the ADF/needle centered and prevent wide arcs. Make your descent along the published profile. Use calculated rate of descent based on ground speed and altitude to reach step-down fixes exactly when required. This reduces the chance of overshooting. Cross-check DME or timed fixes to verify position and keep ATC updated. Make sure you can identify the runway visually by the final approach point. You fly the final inbound track with a stabilized airspeed and descent. Configure gear and flaps early to avoid late changes. This reduces workload. At the published minima, make a firm decision. If you have required visual references, continue. If not, climb on the missed approach immediately. If the NDB signal becomes unreliable, switch to your backup navigation method while informing ATC and fly the published missed approach. This keeps you safe. Always prioritize a clean, timely go-around over uncertain visual cues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.